Here's a 2017 Genesis G80. With unparalleled safety and style, this G80 boasts serious substance. It comes with great features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Front heated leather bucket seats. Memory exterior door mirror settings. Hands-free liftgate. Automatic transmission. Four-wheel drive. Streaming audio. Dual zone climate control. Gas pressurized shocks. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. And V6 engine. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance. It's about versatility. And it's about safety, too. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.